Alright, welcome to part 1 of 4 of the Rockin' Wood American flag that I did. So Rockin' Wood sent me over some 1 inch by 3 by 36 inch reclaimed pieces of wood. So what I'm doing is I am ripping them down to 1.5 inches, which luckily out of each piece of wood I was able to get 2 stripes per. And yeah, so like I said, I'm just ripping them down, getting them cut to size for the 3-foot American flag. Welcome back to part 2 of the Rockin' Wood flag build. So what I did was off camera, I took 3 of the pieces, cut them down to 14 3/4. That section is going to be used for the union, so those will be non-sanded. Then I'm taking the longer stripes right here, and I'm holding it down with 1 clamp. Just so I have 1 point that's still while I'm sanding the rest. And the 3 smaller stripes are about 22-23 inches, and those will be sanded down as well for the smaller stripes. That will be part of the union. So yeah, I started off with 60 grit, moved to 80, then 150, and finished it off with 220 grit, just to give it a smooth finish for the white stripes. Next video, you will see the process of putting it together. It's going to be a small section, very simple. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. The flag. As you can see here, I am brad nailing them in. I'm using 5/8 inch brad nails. Just because the wood was soft enough, it went all the way through to the other side. And I used 4 backer stripes each, just to make sure it holds good and keeps it flat over time. I use type on 3. You can use type on 2. I pretty much use type on 3 for everything. I know I'm going to hear stuff about that, but that's just what I have on hand. But yeah, that is part 3, short and simple, like I said. Stay tuned for part 4. It should be coming out in a day or 2. Alright, y'all. Rockin' Wood flag all done. Stars are carved in. 7076 is all carved in. And as you can see, it's not the prettiest, but that's what carving is. Alright, on to the next thing. Ignore the messy work area, but do you want to see the bottle opener next or the cross? Go ahead, leave that in the comment.